Thank you for choosing multiple awnings. For your Athena or Europa awning, let's see how to install and program a wind sensor. You will need your remote control, your wind sensor, double-sided Scotch tape, and a small flathead screwdriver. The first step is to install your wind sensor. Please note that this procedure only applies if you need to replace your original wind sensor. Warning: always make sure to unplug your awning when working on the front bar. The wind sensor could close the awning, and this could cause you to fall. Open the wind sensor by pushing the cover towards the arrow. The cover will slide, and then you'll be able to remove it. Stick the double-sided Scotch tape to the backing plate of the wind sensor. The tape will need to be cut to the right length. Take off the protective film of the tape. The wind sensor must be installed on the inside face of the front bar of the awning, but it must not interfere with its complete closing. The wind sensor must be positioned at one end of the front bar, on the motor side. The second step involves the programming of the wind sensor. This procedure may only be used if one remote or more has already been paired with the motor. Plug in your awning and open it halfway. On the new wind sensor, put the sensitivity dial to 0. Install the batteries. The sensor will beep to indicate it is functional. On any memorized remote control, press the P2 button twice. On the new wind sensor, press the multifunction button once. The sensor will beep to indicate that it's associated to the motor. Set the sensor sensitivity level to 5, which is the mid-sensitivity position, and press the multifunction button once. The awning will close completely. Set the sensor sensitivity level to 9 and press the multifunction button once. The awning will open completely. Finally, set the sensor sensitivity level to 4. The wind sensor is now programmed. This last step involves adjusting the wind sensitivity of your wind sensor. You can now install the casing of your wind sensor on the back plate glued to the front bar of your awning. With your remote control, open your awning completely. Before modifying the factory settings, you need to check whether these settings are good as is. To do so, shake the front bar of your awning manually to make it vibrate vigorously, imitating a strong wind gust. If the result is too sensitive or not enough, you can change the sensitivity setting on the back cover of the wind sensor. After the wind sensor has closed the awning, you need to wait at least 10 minutes before you can open it again. The manufacturer does not assume any liability for personal injuries nor material damages caused by atmospheric events like high winds, water, snow, or ice accumulations undetected by the device's sensors. Your wind sensor is now installed, programmed, and adjusted. Multiple Awnings wishes you a great summer.